that are ideal to the situation, or not even ideal. It's not the common talked about things. It's, yeah, you made some money. How do you prove it? How do you show it? How do you pay taxes on it? Yeah, you got an employee. How do you pay for that employee? How do you do payroll and taxes? How do you do payroll insurance? How do you run payroll? How do you do benefits? How do you do pay time off? How do you do just all this background stuff? So, like, how do you pay for your taxes on your business? What is Francis? Most people like, Francis? What's Francis? Other people who manage and run a business, they'll laugh if I say Francis. I'll be like, oh, yeah, Francis.
So they
But
know the terminology you use.
yeah, no, it's a website.
But they know
Francis,
the terminology.
yeah, they know the terminology. So Francis is how you deal with like paying your taxes and employees and stuff like that through Oregon. I don't know if it's everywhere, but that's where we go to. But how do you manage all that? Most people don't know. They have all of these different things. We have like Cash App, and we have Zillow, and we have Zelle, and you can give me cash, you can get all that. But how do we get the money, show it, pay taxes on it, prove that we got the money, and then pay ourselves? How do we do it?
You have to, well, as accountant, that's what we have to do.
Mm-hmm.
And you need accountant to run your books to
Well,
make sure you're doing it successfully and for sure.
uh-huh.
And you're not moving money and they'll be able to see money. So when audits come in,
Uh-huh.
CPAs come in, they can get the information from the accountant.
So explain to me what the accountant is counting and how are they counting it, and that you have access to it.
Normally what they do is debit and credit. It's moving debits. Like, say for instance, you have to debit, in order for them to see the money, we have to debit the bank and then credit the organization that you
Just when
want to
something
pay.
comes in,
So
something
say the
goes out.
money come
Okay.
out and the
Accounts
money come
receivable,
in.
accounts payable. Okay.
Yeah, so you have accounts payable, you have the person that watches your books and manage that GL on what you want to use it for. So say hypothetically, we're gonna buy uniforms. You gotta have a GL that says uniforms or office supplies.
Mm-hmm.
So when they come in, they were like, okay, well, I want to see your books, what you did in 2022.
So what does that look like?
It's a balance sheet.
A balance sheet?
Yeah.
Okay. Where does the balance sheet come from?
The balance sheet comes from all the transactions that you got going on.
Okay. What if I told you there's an easy way, completely easy way to do it? It takes away half of the stress. Most people don't realize how powerful QuickBooks is. You got QuickBooks?
Yep.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about QuickBooks.
Well, QuickBooks, what I use it for when I was braiding hair, I use it for sending out invoices.
Okay.
When I sent out the invoice, they will pay me partial.
Mm-hmm.